first of all, Happy New Year to all of you, and I hope that you all have an amazing 2025 and 2026 should be even better for all of you. As it's the new year, so in today's video I'm just gonna tidy up the entire house. I'm gonna change the bed sheets, change the curtains, and just scratch out the bathroom. Just gonna tidy up the entire house. Here I'm changing the bed sheet, and that's our electric blanket underneath, and also sprayed the mattress freshener. I sprayed the mattress freshener and left it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. As during winter we use electric blankets a lot, and because the blankets are on all the time on the mattresses, so it's good to actually freshen it out and leave it open without any bed sheets or blankets on, just to freshen it out with the fresh air. So yeah, that's what I did, and here the bed was all done. Then I also cleared out the side table, sprayed a little bit of a freshener over there as well, and vacuum it. I'm sorry for my voice today. Actually, I'm getting some sore throat, and it's just quite bad, and my throat is quite painful today. So if it's a bit funny voice, then I'm really sorry. And let's continue the cleaning. Then I clean the floors with the disinfectant floor wipes. It actually just clear out all the dust, if there are any hair falls or any leftovers, whatever is on the floor. It just cleans it really nicely. Then obviously the laundry is never finished. If you have a big family and the kids, laundry is always there. But first I actually cleaned the bed sheets because that was more important. Then that's the weather today. It was very, very cold, and there were some signs of snow as well. Which is never clean in the house, even though you wanted to keep it clean, that's your kitchen. So here I'm scrubbing the cooker and the back wall mostly do get dirty when we cook. It's all the spitters from the oil, and the cooking actually sticks on the wall, so I just did disinfectant that and also clean the worktops. Then of course the bathroom actually I disinfected completely with the method disinfectant first, then I tidy up, and then I use the Dettol disinfectant spray, also the anti-mold spray, which I sprayed around the shower head, the shower tub, and around the walls as well. The bathroom is all nice and clean. And that was the cleaning day today. So I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.